Hello, wonderful viewers. Have you ever wondered why sex is so important in marriage? Not just as a means of procreation, but as a critical component in maintaining a healthy and happy union. We're delving into the intimate aspects that contribute to a strong and thriving marital bond. Whether you're married, engaged, or simply curious about the dynamics of a fulfilling marriage, this one's for you. Let's jump right into the discussion. One of the primary reasons is that sex helps us be faithful and multiply. Now, it's clear that not every sexual encounter results in reproduction. However, it is through this act that life begins. More than just a biological function, sex within marriage carries a deeper significance, creating a unique connection between two people. Secondly, sex acts as a bonding agent between couples. This intimate act, shared only between a husband and wife, helps establish a deep sense of closeness and companionship. It's a private experience that strengthens the bond between two people, solidifying their commitment to each other. Thirdly, sex is a loving, pleasurable act of sacrificial giving. It's not just a casual encounter. When we engage in sex with our spouse, we are giving of ourselves completely. This act of beautiful and loving sacrifice serves to express love in a unique way, one that is only experienced within the confines of marriage. Fourth, sex helps us resist temptation. Regular sexual intimacy keeps the bond strong between a married couple, effectively shutting the door on sexual temptation. It serves as a guard against lust and sexual impurity, ensuring the sanctity of the marital bond. Fifth, sex is an act of love. It's more than just a physical act. It involves emotional and spiritual elements, serving as an expression of love and unity. It's a joyous affirmation of the love and unity that exists between a husband and wife. The sixth reason is stress reduction. Engaging in sexual activity releases endorphins and promotes relaxation, contributing to a healthier and happier marital life. It's a natural stress reliever, helping to alleviate the pressures and tensions of everyday life. Seventh, sex aids in conflict resolution. Couples who maintain a satisfying sexual connection often find it easier to navigate and resolve conflicts. The emotional closeness fostered by sex can lead to a better understanding and ability to compromise. Eighth, the physical benefits of sex are numerous. Regular sexual activity can improve cardiovascular health, strengthen the immune system, and enhance sleep quality. It's a holistic approach to health, benefiting both the body and the mind. Ninth, sex encourages communication. Sexual intimacy involves open dialogue about desires, boundaries, and preferences. This can help couples discuss their needs and strengthen their overall communication skills, fostering a deeper understanding and connection. And 10th, sex cements commitment. It serves as a way to express and reaffirm the commitment partners have to each other, promoting a sense of security and stability within the marriage. In conclusion, these 10 reasons illustrate why sex is critically important in marriage. It's not just about physical satisfaction, but about emotional connection, communication, commitment, and overall health. It's a beautiful act of love that strengthens the bond between a husband and wife, ensuring a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling married life. Reflect on these reasons and consider how they align with your own experiences. If you find this information valuable, don't hesitate to show some love, hit that like button, share with friends, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more insightful content. Your support means the world to us. Share your thoughts in the comments section below, and let's foster open conversations about the importance of intimacy in marriage. Thank you.